Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to create Windows 11 bootable USB disk using command prompt. So let me start without any delay. First click on this one start button, then type cmd and right click on command prompt tab and select here run as administrator. In case Windows prompts, click on yes button, then type disk part and press enter on the keyboard. I will copy all these details in this video description so you can refer and use these commands. Then type list disk and press enter. In case you have not connected your USB drive to your PC, then connect it and again run this command list disk. This will show your USB disk. In my case it is disk 1, so in here you need to type select disk 1 and then press enter on the keyboard, then type clean and press enter to clean your USB disk. In case you have not taken the backup yet or your USB disk, if you have important data you can still backup. Now type create a space partition, then a space primary, then press enter. In case some window opens, close it. Now again type select partition and in a space 1 and then press enter. Now type active. Now type format a space fs is equal to ntfs quick. In case you have GPT, partition type is GPT, then you need to format in NTFS, and in case this one is MBR, then you need to format your USB disk as FAT32. I will write in this video description also. So in my case it is GPT, so I will format it as per NTFS partition. After typing this command, press enter on the keyboard. This will take a few seconds and format your USB disk. Now type assign letter is equal to, you can use here any free letter such as X. In my case it is free. You can open this PC and check which letter drive letter is free and you can use it here. After that press enter on the keyboard. Now my USB disk has drive letter X. Now type exit to exit from this part prompt. Again here you need to mount ISO file, Windows 10 ISO. For that you need to use command PowerShell a space mount hyphen disk image a space hyphen image path hyphen. Here you need to enter path in inverted comma. So First, open File Explorer and check your ISO file. Here, right click on this one, copy it. If you have issues in copying full path, you can copy full path of your ISO file like this and paste it here. Again, put inverted comma and press enter on the keyboard. This will mount your Windows 10 ISO in a virtual disk. As you can see on my screen, it has been mounted, and now I am going to copy these files to USB disk, which is required to boot Windows 10 through pen drive or USB disk. So again, type here disk part and press enter on the keyboard. Now type list volume. Here you can see ISO has been mounted on E drive and my USB disk is partition X. So you need to note down here. After that, type exit command to exit from disk part. Now you need to mount ISO. Already it has been mounted. So here you need to type drive letter on which ISO has been mounted and then put colon and then press enter on the keyboard. Now again type cd space boot and then press enter on the keyboard. Now you need to create boot file on your USB disk. So type here boot sect space slash NT60 space USB drive letter. In my case it is X. So here type X colon and then press enter on the keyboard. This will copy boot file from your mounted ISO to your USB disk. Now type X copy space E. In my case mounted drive is E. So here I will type E colon slash. You can copy all these details and refer from this video description. In case you have any issues, you can leave a comment. I will reply. Then type USB disk letter and this. After typing this one full command, press enter on the keyboard. This will copy all required files from your ISO Windows 10 ISO file to your USB disk, and it will make your USB disk bootable. Once it gets completed, you need to enter into BIOS or UEFI, whatever your PC uses. Then change the boot priority to USB disk. USB disk should be on top. After that, you can boot and install your Windows 10, or even you can upgrade from lower versions such as Windows 7 or 8 to Windows 10, or if you want you can install a fresh Windows 10 according to your choice. Here install.exe file is too big, it will take a lot of time, so don't worry, you need to wait here to copy install.exe file to your USB disk. So after here you can quit this video or you can wait, as per your choice. If you want to see everything how happens. Install.ext will take longer time because it is around, I hope, 1 GB, so you need to wait here. Other files are small and then that can be copied very fast. So just wait and watch the progress. Now it is going to be finished. Approx all files has been copied in USB disk and it will be ready in a few seconds. Now all files have been copied and my USB disk is now bootable and I can easily install Windows 10 on any PC. So I here eject my USB disk and this video is over. If you are new to our channel Gear Windows, kindly subscribe it if you find this channel useful, and if you are an old customer and find this video useful, then press thumbs up on this video. Thanks for watching this video.